The very first time I tried growing tomatoes at home, I really thought it was going to be a total disaster. Standing on this tiny balcony with a packet of seeds in my hand, I wonder how a person like me could ever grow tomatoes. A few months later, I find myself plucking warm, sun-beaten tomatoes right from the vine. The very ones I had nurtured that day changed my whole perception of home gardening forever. If you have ever considered growing your own fresh, juicy tomatoes, this guide is exclusively for you. Apartment life or limited space. Why tomatoes are ideal for home cultivation? Tomatoes are probably the easiest plants to grow for beginners. They are versatile, productive, and adapt readily to pots and potatoes. Wherever you set your hearts on them, backyard, balcony, whether you grow towards or arrangement of the gardens, tomato yields great rewards for your most simple efforts. Step 1. Choose the right tomato variety. Tomatoes do not grow uniformly. Some are large, while others are compact and easy to maintain. The few that are most ideal for small growing spaces are cherry or grape tomatoes, quick growing and highly productive. Determinants type: these grow to a certain size and are thus perfect for container growing. Dwarf tomatoes or plants, bred for growing specifically in pots and balconies. Indeterminate types grow tall and produce fruit throughout the entire growing season if you have enough room. Step 2. Quality soil and container first. Tomatoes prefer rich, well-drained soil instead of garden soil, which has a tendency to compact and restrict root growth. Go for high-quality potting compost. Container tips. 10 to 15 gallons is preferred for one tomato plant. Make sure there are drainage holes in the bottom. Fabric grow bags are fabulous for balconies or patios. Fill the container with soil mixed with compost to give your tomatoes a strong nutritional foundation. Step 3. Sun must be non-negotiable. Tomatoes are sun lovers. They require about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day, being that generally the more sunlight, the heavier the fruit. If you have a balcony, place your pots in the lightest area. The south facing is the best. If they have insufficient sunlight, they may become tall and skinny with few tomatoes at the end. Step 4. Right method of planting. Here is a trick that many beginners are unaware of. Tomatoes can develop roots along their stems. When planting, remove the lower leaves. Bury the stem deeper into the soil. This encourages stronger roots and healthier plants. Water thoroughly after planting to help the soil settle. Step 5. Watering and feeding should be a regular practice. Tomatoes don't like extremes. Too little water gives them stress, while too much will rot roots and crack fruit. General rules including the following. Water deeply when the top 1 inch of soil is dry. Water at the base, not the leaves. Fertilize every 1 to 2 weeks using a balanced fertilizer or tomato feed. So, consistency is the secret for growing those very sweet, tasty tomatoes. Step 6. Support, prune, protect. As the tomato plants grow, some support will be needed. Stalking, caging the plants will keep them upright and yet allow good circulation around them. Pruning likely means that you will remove yellowing or dead leaves. Pinch off the excess suckers on indeterminate plants. This puts the focus on energy being used for fruit and lower the chance of disease. Step 7. Harvest and enjoy. Harvesting tomatoes when they are at full ripeness is the fun part of growing them yourself. Harvest your tomatoes when they are fully colored with a slight give when touched. After that, homegrown bite. Nothing really tastes the same as store-bought tomato. Growing tomato at home is not only about food, it is about patience. and plain, simple joy for seeing something grow. Whether you have a big backyard or a tiny balcony, you should cherish the pride when you finally harvest your first tomato. If you found it interesting and want more simple, practical advice for gardening, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on this kind of content. And also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, your journey of tomato growing begins. Happy gardening!